Hey friends, I'm having a TV set-top box repaired today. You can see the full name on the screen right now. According to the customer, it won't turn on or work. I checked the power supply, it's fine. And the output voltage is normal. Now I'll try running the box with a lab power supply to measure the current consumption. I'm connecting 12 volts. And the current consumption is 1.5 amps. That's too much for a box like this. I think there's a short circuit on the board. Let's take the box apart. I think I found the problem. One of the ceramic capacitors is getting very hot. Its casing is slightly cracked, and there's some damage to the casing. When power is applied, the capacitor gets very hot. It looks like there's a short circuit there. I'll remove it now and then check the board again. Let's test the removed capacitor separately for short circuit. The capacitor is ringing, which means it's shorted, which shouldn't happen. I rarely encounter such failures. Now I want to apply power and check the current consumption to see if the board works. If everything is okay, the LED should light. As you can see, the red LED lights up and the consumption is 250 milliamps. Now you need to turn it on and the green indicator should light up. The indicator is green, meaning it started and working. Now I need to connect it to the TV and see if there's a picture. When turned on, the power consumption is 550 milliamps. I'll assemble the board into the case and test it on the TV. I'll try to turn on the set-top box now. As you can see, the console started up, but it looks like the remote control is out of batteries. Another device repaired. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos. Bye!